Out of a tragedy that occurred in 2011, I learned to heal by rebuilding my life through rebuilding a motorcycle. Through that experience, I was baptized into the motorcycle world. I realized how therapeutic it was, and I decided with motorcycle missions to help veterans and first responders. It's about fixing the broken spirit through fixing motorcycles. I call motorcycle mission slogan, motorcycles as medicine. Getting together, the camaraderie, being able to ranch, being with like-minded people, having fun, just a really therapeutic way to kind of de-stress. Motorcycle Missions is bringing veterans and first responders together, forming a brotherhood and sisterhood around motorcycles.